The upcoming CSGO Major is without a doubt going to be a huge opportunity for investors. Anyone who's wanted to make money in this game in the past few months has been waiting for this major as the next big opportunity because of the results we saw in Stockholm. But with that being said, is there going to be a crash in the market from anticipation of this new event? Will everyone just want to sell their items at this crazy price we've already seen them at to move their money into Steam balance to buy stickers when they go on sale, or are we barely going to see a change in the wider market? Well, today let's talk about it. So as always, if you enjoy, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're in the near 2/3 of people that aren't yet, and check out this quick pre-roll from the sponsor Skins Monkey on how to trade your skins and get a free $5 bonus.
Hi you, yes you, would you like to get $5 for free for your first trade? Just use skinsmonkey.com and get your extra skins. See description below to enjoy the special promotion and receive 5% cashback for trading your CSGO skins.
So first of all, I want to show what's happening during the last Stockholm Major, when these stickers got released and when the 75% sale happened, of course 2 different dates. The stickers got in game on October 21st, 2021, and the sale was on November 29th, 2021. So first off, let's compare it to how cases were affected, because cases kind of show the trend of the wider market. If I pick out a random skin, they all kind of show different trends because they have different buy orders at different prices. So I figured cases are the most convenient way to show actually how the market responded to an event like this. Note that also on September 21st, that's the release of Operation Riptide, which caused a huge dip. But on October 21st, although we saw a dip, it wasn't anything prolonged. Just a dip that lasted for a day, recovered, then price went down a bit more and flattened out for a few weeks before continuing up. Note that 8,200 cases sold on October 21st as well. Then we go a month ahead to November 29th when the 75% off sale happened, and there really wasn't any significant action. It seemed like everybody just sold their cases when the sticker capsules came out and not when the sale came, but nothing really changed with the sale. And once again, that's probably because people that wanted to buy the sticker capsules just did it when they dropped, which I guess makes sense. You want to get your money earlier, but I mean, if that many people do it at the same time, it'll cause a slight dip. Now, the reason that I bring up how many were sold on the initial day that we saw the dip is because how strong the case market is right now, especially with buy orders. The Breakout case is listed at $3.02 on the Steam market right now, and there's hundreds of buy orders just 3 cents below that. 3,500 buy orders 6 cents below that, and then hundreds to thousands more just a few cents lower. So if people are quote-unquote panic selling when the major stickers drop to try and get a hold of some Steam balance, the highest sell orders are just a few cents below the buy orders. So to me, that just makes it seem like we're going to see a slight dip similar to last time. Also, for comparison, when Riptide dropped, there were 20,000 Breakout cases sold on the market the starting day alone. Once again, for comparison, 8,200 sold on October 21st, when the sticker capsules got released with the Stockholm Major, and 8,600 when the 75% off sale date came. So that 20,000 number is insane and just shows how many people sell during an operation. And it showed across the entire market in knives and play skins and everything. So it's just a number you should keep in mind. When an operation does come, it will bring a huge dip. Most likely because we saw it last time, and with numbers like that, I ain't testing it. But that being said, I don't think that's a number we're going to see when a major comes, only when an operation comes. Now, one argument you can make is that since Stockholm investments have done so well, actually I believe the best return on an investment that you could get in such a short amount of time recently, that it will cause a lot of people to sell cases, sell skins, stuff like that when these stickers do get dropped, most likely on May 2nd or 3rd, so just a few days out from now, which is a fair argument, and that's completely up to you. I don't think that's going to happen though. That's personally me. It's a possibility. Either way, if there is a crash, I think the market, as I always say, is good long term. If there's an operation around July, which would follow the trend CSGO has been having with operations recently, and I covered that more in my last video, you would have to expect a dip there as well too. So the thing is, do you potentially think we've topped out on investing for the time being here, that things have kind of reached their top in price until we get past this major, until we get past this potential operation coming in July? Are things going to slow down when this major does come out, and maybe an operation in the summer that will bring a huge hit on the market? That's up to you, and it really just depends. The question I always ask, how long do you want to hold your skins? Do you really just want to hold them for another couple of years, or do you want your money now? Do you want to sell before this potential dip with the major, which I don't think is really going to be anything too serious, or the dip for the operation, which will be serious? So overall, let's go over a game plan that suits everybody, whether you're looking to buy, looking to sell, whatever it may be. First off, if you want to get a hold of cases for a price cheaper than they're at now and hold them for a long time, placing buy orders around this time is a great option. Once again, with the major, which I personally don't think we're going to see a huge dip, but we probably will see a slight one, or the operation, which I think is a really big chance we could see a massive dip. Placing buy orders around those events are good for you if you want to pick up some items in that department. I would look at past charts for comparison at where to place those buy orders at exactly. Somewhere between 20 to 25% cheaper than their cheapest price right now is a rough estimate based on last time. Obviously, it's going to vary from different items, so I recommend looking for yourselves. Next up, if you're holding cases right now, I don't think selling before the major is the best idea unless you want to gamble on a massive dip coming with that major. But if you don't want to hold for another half a year, the year at least, selling before late July, where the next operation could be coming, is probably the safest move if you don't want to wait. If you're in it for the long term, I wouldn't worry, but expect a dip to come. And finally, with the actual major stickers themselves, keep an eye out on how their trend compares to Stockholm stickers before the 75% off sale. Do people like them? Is their price increasing even before the capsules go on sale? Stuff like that. And then we could potentially make a move on those stickers, see if they're good long term, and hopefully end up like Stockholm stickers. Either way, I wouldn't be selling stuff just yet to move all your money into these stickers because we don't know how they look, we don't know how the community's going to like them, stuff like that. If they are good, I'm not going to be selling anything, but I definitely will buy them if the trend looks like Stockholm at the beginning. So that's just my game plan. I think the entire market is still good long term, so that's just me. But overall, I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. Next video on the major should be when the actual stickers drop. Once again, most likely on May 2nd or 3rd. Also going to be streaming on twitch.tv/CykaHotFire, link in description, unboxing some capsules when that does drop as well, so be sure to check that out. But for now, as always, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you do enjoy, and check out the homies over at Skins Monkey for that free $5 bonus. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.